Alright. What's up, guys? Westy here. Just assembled this new desk I bought on Overstock.com. This cost me around, I'd say $230, $240. It's particle board. It's not necessarily real wood, but it's got some nice elements to it. It's got some metal for the hinges and these nice handles here, complete with closable cabinets. It's got this shelving unit here that you can has these metal pins that you can put in these bracket holes here, and you hover the board over it, and it's adjustable, so you can, on any one of these levels here where there's a hole, you can adjust the shelf to your needs. It's got this pull-out drawer here. Assembled that. This one was kind of a pain in the butt to get that. And this drawer, this cabinet here, just pulls out and closes. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the assembly. It was very fun, but my complaint is when you were finally about ready to attach both cabinets and the respective columns here to the base of the desk, there's these wooden pegs along with these nails that you have to do a balancing act and make sure they're center to the holes in the base, and then you would flip the desk over with the help of somebody else. And if you did it right, it won't fall. I did it right, but I don't think that's a very intuitive design by the manufacturer here. By the way, the manufacturer, since I bought this on Overstock.com, I got some good discounts on it. Ameriwood Home. So that's the desk. It says here it's kind of tough assembly. I would disagree. I'd say, despite some minor hiccups and like some adjusting I had to do because I messed up the first time, I had to take some sawdust and craft glue. I don't have any wood glue, but ideally you would use wood glue. Mix it into a bowl and plaster it on like any cracks or damage you had along the assembly. You would put a clamp on that and leave it overnight, or in a good 4 or 5 hours, and it should harden to an acceptable level, to a level where this hardness is. Now this can hold up to 100 pounds, so I have good faith in it because I built it. But other than that, I think there are better deals you can get, especially at yard sales, and if you have any flea markets in your area, those are definitely hot spots for furniture. I was just in desperate need of a desk. The arrival time for this was fairly quick, and I'm happy with it. We'll see how it measures up. But so far, besides like the manufacturer here, this is kind of their screw up here. Besides this, that you can easily refurbish, this was a great build. So, just wanted to share this on my YouTube, since it's my new apartment room. This is temporary, but it's just an update. And the theme I'm going for, if you could tell by the curtains, kind of Victorian. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you want. Take care.